Hi, my name's Simon from Motor Drone. Today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1956 Triumph TR3 that you can see behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of engine starting and idling action at the end. Hope you like them. Okay, let's take this 1956 Triumph TR3 for a spin. Now, obviously it's the only place I can mount the camera because we haven't got any weather equipment on this one at the moment. It's such a lovely day. So once I get going, I'm actually not going to say anything because you won't be able to hear me properly anyway because of the wind. But it drives really, really well. Starts nicely, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Trundles down the road really quite happily without any sort of major bangs or clunks or anything like that. There is a very slight whine, I think, from the differential, but it's absolutely minimal. Engine gearbox have both been rebuilt. Overdrive kicks in and out the way it should. Does take a few seconds to kick in, but kicks out well enough. Yeah, it just gets on with the job. It's a proper 50s machine and performs nicely. Anyway, let's fire it up. Ignition light comes up as it should. All the gauges, they all work as they should. Starts nicely and settles down to a nice idle. I've just done about 10 miles in it, and the temperature gauge, as you can see, is sitting at around about 50 degrees. All the other gauges are working. So, off we go. Gearbox is nice and notchy as it should be. Also had a new clutch in it. Off we go. See round this camera. Let's see, off we go. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this 1956 TR3. Ignition on. Settles down to a steady idle. There's all your gauges in the middle there. And we'll show you under the bonnet. Here we have the underbonnet. Sorry about my shadow. Engine idling away nicely. Worth getting on with the job.